Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today I want to show you this falling wedge pattern on the 4-hourly chart, and I'll again show you this falling wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart. And I want to discuss with you this bullish reversal harmonic bat pattern that I shared on 9th of July for my members at the Patreon, when I told them that the price action of Bitcoin may move a little bit more down to complete the final leg of the bullish bat. And first of all, let me just show you this pattern. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, let me just show you this chart. And you can see at that time, the price line was moving at $33,000. And I told my members at the Patreon that we can have a drop up to this level because all the legs were driven perfectly as required for the bullish bat on the daily time frame. Okay, here we can see that the price line was completing this final leg, and the buying zone or the potential reversal zone starts from $31,500 and goes to $30,886. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price action did drop at this level. Even we had a very long spike up to $29,278, but now it is reversed back and it is moving in this potential reversal zone. And our Fibonacci sell targets, as per the bullish harmonic bat pattern, can be from $33,000 to $35,377. And before this bullish reversal pattern, we have already seen several bullish reversal patterns I have been sharing with you in my previous videos as well. And almost all the patterns have been executed perfectly as required for their sequences. Therefore, we can expect that now this pattern will be executed. However, we are at the very end of this buying zone. Therefore, this can be a low risk and high reward trading idea. However, if you want to follow this trading idea, then you should do your own research first, because this is not a financial advice and I am not your financial advisor. I am just sharing my opinions and my research with you guys. And these are the simple Fibonacci calculations that I'm sharing with you. Now, let's move back to this triangle, this falling wedge on the 4-hourly chart. And I told you that we are not having sufficient volume to confirm this breakdown. You can see that the price action was moving at this support of this falling wedge. On 19th of July, I shared this article. And I also shared this article with you in my previous videos as well. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action had a very small bounce here, and then the price action eventually dropped down and broke down the support of this falling wedge on the 4-hourly chart. But the volume was not supporting this breakdown. Therefore, the price action reversed bullish, and now at this time, the price action is trying to break out the resistance of this falling wedge. And at the same time, if we take a look at the daily time frame here, then we can see that we are also in a bigger falling wedge pattern that is on the daily time frame, and the price action is at the same time, while it is trying to break out the resistance of this pattern on the 4-hourly chart, even on the daily time frame chart, it is trying to break out this resistance of the falling wedge on the daily time frame. And I was telling you, and I have been telling you for so many previous days, that this is a very strong support zone. And whenever we are watching, we are even observing every time, whenever the price action is moving in this area, we are observing very powerful buying from here. Therefore, whenever the candlesticks are, even the bearish candlesticks are moving in this area, you can see that they are getting weaker and weaker every time. This time, for the first time, we were watching that the complete bodies of the candlesticks, the bearish candlesticks on the daily time frame chart, were entering in this very strong support zone. I don't understand why the people were shorting the Bitcoin here, because this is a very, very strong support. This was not the right time to short the Bitcoin here. Well, it has a very strong support even on the weekly time frame chart, on the daily time frame chart as well. And you can see whenever the price action is moving in this zone and the people are shorting the Bitcoin here, they're getting wrecked again and again, and they are suffering from the fake outs. So if we are having a breakout from here, we need the volume, and if the price action will again break down this support of this falling wedge on the 4-hourly chart, then again we will need the volume to confirm the breakdown or breakout. Without that, shorting the Bitcoin or longing the Bitcoin is very harmful. Now, in case the price line will break out this resistance of this falling wedge here, then our target, the technical target after the confirmation of the breakout, can be this tail of the falling wedge that is approximately at $41,000. And there are few weak trend reversal signals are appeared on this daily time frame. Like here, I've been showing you in my previous video that when the price line was moving down, we are in the downtrend on the daily time frame. And when we reach here very close to this $31,000, then the dodgy dragonfly candlesticks were appeared, like it was appeared here and here as well. That was the trend reversal candlestick. And now you can see today a bullish engulfing candlestick has been appeared. This bullish candlestick is canceling this bearish candlestick. You can see that the body of this candlestick has completely engulfed the body of this bearish candlestick. That is another trend reversal pattern of the candlestick. However, we will need the volume to confirm the breakout when the price line will be out of this resistance. At this time, we are not sure that the price action will break out or not. It is possible that after testing this resistance, like so many times it has been doing this, you can see that the price action is again and again trying to break out. If you watch this bunch of the candlestick, almost every candlestick is trying to break out this resistance of this falling wedge, but every time they are getting rejected, but not touching the support of this falling wedge. They are touching the maximum, they are touching this $31,000, and this time they were entered here in this support zone but did not hit this $28,800. That is the maximum extent of this strong buying zone. And yesterday I discussed with you that a super MACD strategy that the Bitcoin is following at this time. Like whenever the price action is moving at the support and the MACD is giving us the bullish signals and the stochastic is coming out from the oversold zone, the Bitcoin is starting the rally towards the upside. And every time it is doing this, and this time I told you here, a day before yesterday, 2 days ago, we received this false signal by the MACD. However, the stochastic was still in the oversold zone. And I told you that this time, the probability for the breakout is more than the previous days because this time the price line is at the support, at this resistance of the falling wedge. And at the same time, the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. Previously, we were watching that whenever the candlesticks were moving at the support, the stochastic was moving in the oversold zone, but this time the candlesticks are at the resistance and the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. Therefore, if we will receive the buying signals by the MACD and the stochastic again, then there is a possibility that the price action will break out the resistance of this falling wedge. However, if we will have a strong volume, then our next target can be $41,000. So next few hours are very important. The price line is trying to break out this resistance and this resistance of the smaller falling wedge at the same time, and it can be rejected, and it is also possible that it will break out this resistance because you can see that we are having the stochastic, the oscillators are oversold even on the weekly time frame chart. This is the weekly time frame, and the MACD is turning bullish on the weekly time frame, and even on the daily time frame. You can see that the stochastic has entered the oversold zone and the MACD is turning bullish. So all the oscillators from day to weekly time frame are getting synchronized. Like if we switch to the 2-day chart, then we can see that the MACD is bullish. It was weak bullish but turned strong bullish now, already moved up from this oversold zone. And if we switch to the 3-day chart, let me move to the 3-day chart, and now here we can see that the MACD is strong bullish and the stochastic is giving the buying signal from the oversold. If we switch to the 4-day chart, then we are still turning bullish. And now if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then almost all the candlesticks are getting synchronized with each other. All the candlesticks, all the charts are giving us the weak buying signals. So it is possible that the price action will start a reversal move from here, and the week has just started, therefore we cannot confirm. However, even on the weekly time frame, we can see that this dodgy dragonfly candlestick, the trend reversal candlestick, has appeared. This is just at starting of the week. We cannot confirm that the candlestick won't be changed. It can be changed. The shape of the candlestick can be changed with the buying or sell, with the buying or selling. However, so far it is a dodgy dragonfly trend reversal candlestick even on the weekly time frame. So we can expect a reversal from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing more ideas on the daily basis you will find here, then you can find the link in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.